Hello and welcome to the course. We are glad that you are here and we hope that you will enjoy the course. Before we dive deeper and start to create our projects, first of all, we have to prepare our working environment. I'm sure that most of you are already prepared to write the code. If so, then you can feel free, skip this video and jump into the projects right away. But if not, then that's not the problem. Let's go ahead and set up some tools. Throughout this course, we will need two main tools, which are modern web browser and a text editor. As the web browser, I'm going to use mostly Google Chrome, and also in some cases we'll need the help of Mozilla Firefox as well. I'm sure that you already know how to install these web browsers, and I think you already have them, but anyway, let's see how to download them. In order to get the Google Chrome, we have to go to this URL here and download the web browser. The installation process is quite simple, so I'm not going to go through it. As for the Mozilla Firefox, you have to use this URL and download the web browser from here. Both links will be attached to this lecture. Alright, let's move on and talk about the text editor. We're going to use Visual Studio Code because right now it's one of the best text editors in the world. Of course, you can feel free and use your favorite text editor, it's up to you, but I recommend to use the VS Code. In order to download the VS Code, you have to visit this website and get the text editor either for Windows or Mac or Linux. This link will be attached to this lecture as well. The installation process of the Visual Studio Code is very simple too, so I'm sure that you won't have any trouble with it. Alright, so once you install both tools, then you will be good to go. So let's jump right into the projects.